name is Linsey Dyson. I'm with SAS. We're headquartered in Cary, North Carolina in the United States, and we're the leader in advanced analytics. And today in our booth at IoT Solutions World, we're actually showcasing our partner ecosystem. Whereas SAS is the leader in advanced analytics, we don't manufacture sensors, we don't manufacture gateways or routers. We actually focus on the analytics portion, and so we often depend on our ecosystem partners to enable our customers to have the entire IoT lifecycle. And so here today we have partners like Intel, we have Siemens, we have CGI, Advanced Information Management, we have Hewlett-Packard Enterprise, we have Cisco, we have Dell, GE Transportation. We have some really interesting pieces in the Siemens car that's showcased here. We're actually doing analytics on the edge. So we're actually taking the sensor data at the edge and we're actually predicting when the sensor would fail. It has nothing to do with the actual automation of the car, which is a very interesting use case. We also have Advanced Information Management, which is actually talking about cold chain logistics, getting wine from one space to the actual buyer, from the distributor to the buyer, and ensuring that the entire journey is we predict temperature, predict product failure, and things like that. So really interesting use cases. SAS itself, we have several solutions. One is event stream processing. Event stream processing, it allows us to do analytics on the edge at the spot of the source of the data. We also have a whole entire quality suite, which focuses on predictive analytics, predictive maintenance, asset performance, etc. And so that's our booth at IoT Solutions World. If you have any questions, please visit us at sas.com. Take care.